The Waterdrop 10UA Pro filter offers a hassle-free installation process with its drill-free design and twist and lock setup, saving significant installation time. This under-sink water filter significantly improves water quality by reducing harmful substances like lead, chlorine, and heavy metals, while retaining essential minerals. Certified by NSF and ANSI, the Waterdrop 10UA Pro filter ensures reliable filtration performance, making it a safe choice for families including babies and the elderly. With an impressive capacity of 11,000 gallons and a lifespan of 12 months, this filter offers long-term efficiency without frequent replacements. The built-in filter life reminder is a convenient feature that notifies users when it's time to change the filter, ensuring a continuous supply of clean water. Its compact design makes the Waterdrop 10UA Pro filter suitable for various settings such as kitchens, RVs, and offices, providing versatile application options.